everyone! We're going to a road trip. Good morning, Mahal. We're going to Pampanga because it's our dear friend's birthday. Butchie. Happy birthday, Butchie. So we're going there. So this is like about 10 years bago kami nakalabas ulit. 10 years. So this is after a long time. Siguro yung first road trip namin dalawa, na kaming dalawa lang talaga, is nung nagtagaytay kami. Pero hindi pa kami noon. We're on a dating zone pa nung time na yun. And this is the second time that we're going on a road trip na kaming dalawa lang. So usually it's with family. But now, it's gonna be us. Oh! Diba?
It's gonna be a tour.
It's gonna be a tour. So excited. Although alam ko na. Pero don't worry, we're safe. Face mask, face shield. Wala lang, sinasakay naman ako. So yun lang, we'll update you later. It's kind of traffic. Wala pa naman kami doon. Nasa Batasan Road pa lang. So later, bye! I don't know where. Okay, it's there. Just park lang. So we're eating breakfast. Dico Powers. So this is our first stop in Petron.
Yeah, we're just gonna have a stopover.
This is Petron.
Petron.
NLEX Petron. So we're gonna have breakfast muna.
Brunch.
Kasi
It's
baka...
already 11.
11 na pala?
Yes.
Oh
It's already
so,
quarter after 11.
Kasi baka ma-traffic kami, so we have to eat.
Traffic.
So ito na.
Grab something.
Grab something to eat.
Yep.
Eat later. Hi guys, so we're here at Army Navy. So we're having breakfast muna before we head to Pampanga. Kasi traffic. So we have to eat.
Muling pagsasama-sama namin ng kaibigan. Salamat po sa pag-ingat po sa kanila sa pagbiyahe. Dalangin namin ng Diyos kayo po ang sumama sa amin, sa aming fellowship. Ingatan mo kami. Salamat po sa aming kakainin, salamat sa nagluto, maging alakas sa namin ang pagkain. Sa Panginoon Jesus.
Amen! Happy birthday!